Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Wild Rift offline. Unfortunately, Wild Rift is fundamentally an online-only experience designed for real-time multiplayer action. Every match, whether against other players or artificial intelligence, requires a constant connection to the game's servers. This ensures fair play, updates, and access to all your account data. You cannot launch or play the game without an active internet connection. When players ask about playing Wild Rift offline, they might be thinking of modes like the training tool or custom games against bots. While these modes don't involve other human players, they still rely on an internet connection. The game needs to communicate with its servers to load assets, track your progress, and ensure the game environment is consistent. So, even practicing your skills requires you to be online. If you're looking for a true offline gaming experience on your mobile device, you'll need to explore other titles. There are numerous excellent mobile games across various genres, such as role-playing games, puzzle games, and strategy games that are built to be played without an internet connection. Always check the game's description to confirm it offers a dedicated offline mode before downloading, ensuring you can play anytime, anywhere. Since Wild Rift is an online game, focusing on a stable internet connection is key to an enjoyable experience. Always try to play on a reliable Wi-Fi network or with a strong cellular data signal to minimize lag and disconnections. Additionally, closing other applications running in the background can free up valuable network bandwidth and device processing power, leading to smoother gameplay and fewer interruptions during your matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.